The Long-Airdox Company, for more than half a century, the leader in innovation and service to the mining industry. Long-Airdox, the leader in material handling, engineering, and manufacturing. At Long-Airdox, we understand mining. We understand the environments in which our equipment must perform. That's why all our equipment is built mine tough. Tough, functional, and dependable in the most difficult conditions, working for our customers shift after shift, year after year. Since 1935, Long-Airdox and its predecessor companies have worked closely and grown with the mining industry. Our success is based on the knowledge acquired over 50 years and a strong commitment to quality engineering, manufacturing, and service. The key to successful development and manufacturing of any mining product is detailed attention to the mining operator's real needs. The process begins and ends with these central questions. What exactly does the customer need, and how do we make sure they get exactly that? This commitment to the mining operator's real needs begins with the first interview with our sales force and continues through each step of the design, engineering, and manufacturing process. Indeed, it continues through delivery and long-term operation, with field services and replacement parts available at any time, at any mine. The results are a series of diverse and innovative products serving the mining industry. Products like full dimension continuous haulage systems, a Long-Airdox development that account for well over 90% of all such systems in use today. Belt conveyor systems, tested and proven over time, and Long-Airdox has shipped more than half the systems in use in the United States. Feeder breaker systems. Long-Airdox developed the feeder breaker concept of sizing and metering coal in 1958, and now it's common in the industry, with rhinos, Roscoes, and hippos sizing a variety of mined material. A complete line of single and double arm roof bolters with the technology and dependability to meet both government and industry regulations. The Ladco bulk braking systems. Over 50 years of experience gives Long-Airdox the edge in this critical technology in operations where material flow is a major issue. Continuous tunneling conveyor systems. A prime example of Long-Airdox's leadership in advancing mining technology, its continuous tunneling systems are constantly assisting in breaking records for tunnel advancement, systems used in more than 90% of all tunnel projects in the U.S. in the last decade. Add to Long-Airdox's capability package the complete line of longwall and shortwall products, the products that make longwall mining profitable. And Long-Airdox manufactures its own lines of starters and electrical systems. We know the critical need for dependability in this area of mining operations, and we deliver that dependability with our own mine-tough equipment. At Long-Airdox, we also understand that an innovative product line must perform continuously, that each minute of downtime is a drain on the mining operator's resources. For that reason, Long-Airdox has strategically placed its plants and its warehouses near key mining areas. From Pennsylvania to Utah, replacement parts and real field service is never far away. This commitment to servicing our innovative equipment is a crucial element in the Long-Airdox approach to serving the people and the companies that make up the mining industry. It is just another reflection of how we answer those central questions. What exactly does the mining operator need, and how do we make sure they get exactly that? For more than 50 years, Long-Airdox has met that challenge and will be meeting it in the next 50 years. Long-Airdox. Innovation, service, dependability. Long-Airdox. A light at the end of every tunnel.